Let us try to cover all the Scrum events we have covered in this course. Number one is sprint. Sprint is considered as the heartbeat of Scrum. It is the duration in which the team operates. Scrum Guide suggests a sprint should have a duration of 4 weeks or less, depending on the team choice. What is important is all the other events should stay within a given sprint. As soon as one sprint ends, the other should start immediately. The next item is sprint planning. Sprint planning means planning what need to be done in a given sprint by the entire Scrum team. Scrum Guide suggests a duration of 8 hours or less for a 4-week sprint. During sprint planning, 3 questions need to be answered. Number 1, why certain things need to be done? This is being answered by product owner. Number 2, what need to be done? The team decide this based on 3 factors: their past performance, their capacity in the giving sprint, and number 3, definition of done and how it need to be done. This is solely based on the discretion of developers. Moving on, once the sprint planning is done, the team meet every single day during daily scrum for 15 minutes or less. And during this time, they discuss what they have done yesterday, what is upcoming for today, and if there are impediments. If there is a detailed discussion required, it need to happen outside daily scrum. Moving on, the next event is review session. A review session should be 4 hours or less as per Scrum Guide for 1 month sprint. In a review session, the team try to present or demo their work to the related stakeholders. The Scrum Master need to do 3 things during a review session in order to bring effectiveness. Number 1, the relevant stakeholders should be present during every review session. Number 2, it's not a management presentation, it's the actual work that the team need to demonstrate. So Scrum Master should need to have a close eye on that, what the team is presenting. And number 3, try to rotate your presenter. And the last event is on process improvement. The team retrospect, it is for 3 hours or less. It should be within a trusted and safe environment. To bring effectiveness to retrospective, 3 things need to be remembered. Number 1, it should be in a closed and trusted environment. Number 2, conflict resolution should be done by Scrum Master or the moderator. And number 3, try to bring more practicality to retrospective, which means whenever you have certain points observed in retrospective, try to bring it in practice in the subsequent sprint so that it doesn't remain as a checkbox item. And this, in summary, is what Scrum events are all about. Once you understood all these ideas, your Scrum implementation will be more effective and your ability to tackle questions during certification exam will be a cakewalk. I hope you have learned something new today, and I see you next time. Thank you very much.